If you are unsure about files and objects you download from a website, you will need to use an antivirus software. In this module, we will review some important basic points of using and selecting antivirus software packages. If you are unsure about the safety of something you downloaded, do not open the file. You can use antivirus software to scan the file to see if it is safe. You must be careful with these, though, as some of them are malware in and of themselves. Some to avoid are McAfee and Norton. Both of these are expensive to use, can bog down your PC, and are difficult to remove from your laptop. That being said, Windows comes with an antivirus software known as Windows Security. Windows Security should be able to catch most of the potential harmful malware that the average user would download. There are a few ways to use Windows Security. One way is to use Microsoft Defender. To do this, first find the file in your File Explorer. We will use this file that is currently on our desktop shown here. Then right-click on the file. A submenu will appear. Select Show More Options, and then select Scan with Microsoft Defender. Or you can click in the search bar and type in Windows Security, then hitting Enter on your keyboard. Both methods will bring up the Windows Security menu. If you use the search bar, you will be on the Windows Security Home menu. To scan a file, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then click on Scan Options. This is the menu you will see if you right-clicked a file. Here you can tell it to do a quick scan. Check folders on your system where threats are commonly found. Full scan checks all files and running programs on your hard disk. This can take longer than 1 hour. Custom scan, choose which files and locations you want to check. And Microsoft Defender offline scan. Some malicious software can be particularly difficult to remove from your device. Microsoft Defender Offline can help find and remove them using up-to-date threat definitions. This will restart your device and take about 15 minutes. Since we are scanning a single file, we will leave it with the Quick Scan option, then click on Scan Now. This will run a scan on the selected folder or file. Once the scan is done, Windows Security will tell you when the last scan was, if there are any threats present, how long the scan took, and how many files were scanned. This means that the file should be safe to open. If you are still unsure, you can download a second antivirus program and run that as well, to get a second opinion. Some reputable antivirus software are Malwarebytes, Avast, iObit Malware Fighter, and Bitdefender. Be careful though, just because an antivirus software says that it is safe does not necessarily mean that it is. There is no such thing as an antivirus software catching 100% of all malicious software or viruses, especially since there are new viruses and malicious software being created every day. If you open the file and it is a malicious software, you may notice unusual behavior to your laptop or PC, such as strange pop-ups randomly appearing, or your browser opening to sites that you did not go to. Do not click on any buttons or links that appear. Disconnect from the internet by clicking on the Wi-Fi icon at the bottom of the screen. Then click on the Wi-Fi button. Run Windows Security or another antivirus software with a full scan and/or Microsoft Defender offline scan. If the antivirus software identifies a threat, it should be able to remove the threat. At that point, it is safe to proceed using your laptop. Should virus or malware problems persist, you may need to back up any unharmed important files to either a cloud service or external hard drive, and consult a professional to wipe your PC's internal hard drive. Remember, the best antivirus is yourself. Make sure the source is the actual source. Do not download anything from suspicious sources. Do not click on random buttons while on unknown sites. If need be, run antivirus software to check the download just in case.